Today we will learn how to hide a post from your WordPress homepage in a quick process that takes only a few minutes. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website. As you arrive, locate the login area, which is typically positioned in the upper right corner of the screen. This is the first step in accessing your account, so take a moment to ensure you are at the correct location before proceeding. Upon finding the login area, click on it to begin the sign-in process. You will notice several authentication options at this stage. Select the option that says Continue with Google. This streamlined method allows you to use your existing Google credentials, simplifying the authentication process without the need to remember additional passwords. Once you click this option, a list of available Google accounts will appear. Carefully choose the account that you wish to use, and this will quickly log you into your WordPress dashboard. After successfully logging in, the next task is to access your posts area. This section of the dashboard displays all the posts you have created on your website. There is a straightforward link provided in the guide that directs you to an area on your WordPress admin panel where posts are listed. When you arrive here, take a moment to identify the specific post you want to hide. Make sure you select the correct post, as this process does not delete the post, but simply changes its visibility settings. Once you have identified the post, locate and click on the Quick Edit option. This function is designed to allow you to make fast modifications without needing to load the entire editing interface. It is a handy shortcut to adjust post settings, saving you valuable time when you need to update multiple posts or make minor changes. After clicking Quick Edit, you will notice a set of options that allow you to alter various attributes of your post. Within these options, find the setting that controls the post's visibility status. Change the visibility by selecting Private. Changing the post status to Private ensures that while the post remains accessible to you in your administrative interface, it will no longer be visible on the public homepage of your website. This is particularly useful when you want to temporarily remove a post from public view without deleting it permanently. After adjusting the visibility setting, the next important step is to click Update. This confirms and saves the changes you just made to the post. Once updated, the post will no longer display on your WordPress homepage, although it remains in your dashboard for future reference or editing. This process provides you with an effective means to manage your site's content dynamically and swiftly, allowing you to enhance your website's appearance without extensive modifications to the layout or structure. By following these instructions closely, you can manage your posts with increased control. This method is beneficial for situations such as temporarily hiding seasonal content or safeguarding sensitive information until you are ready to share it again with your audience. Enjoy the flexibility that comes with these simple modifications and maintain a polished professional homepage for your WordPress website.